these are some seeds of nuts, right? You can see here, this one is the seeds of walnut. In Chinese, we usually call it 核桃仁. And this one is the seed of almond, especially the sweet almond. Sweet seeds of almond, because we also use the bitter one. And this one, inside actually is a pine seed, but we actually just use the inside part. This one, the seeds. The last one, this one, is the seed of peach. So all these seeds, they are rich of fat, or sometimes we also say the lipa, and they enter the lung and the large intestine. So they have the function of moistening the lung and the large intestine. Therefore, they can be used for dry cough or constipation, the patient with dry stool. Besides, walnut, the seeds of walnut, it is warm, and it also enters the kidney. Therefore, it can warm the kidney yang. So if the patient have back pain due to kidney yang deficiency or frequent urination, we also can use this one. And if the patient have asthma due to lung and kidney deficiency, we also can use this one. Well, this one, the almond, it is of small toxin. So when people eat it, do not eat too much, or else will be poisoned. Well, the seed of peach, we call it 桃仁, this one. Except for the actions we just mentioned, it also has the function of promoting blood circulation and expelling stasis. Therefore, it can be used for a lot of patterns due to blood stagnation. For example, like amenorrhea, dysmenorrhea, or traumatic injury, or back pain due to blood stagnation, and so on. This one, have you ever tried it? This is Chinese Hawthorn. Chinese people make it into different delicious food. And sometimes we make it together with crystal sugar, and then using a stick to connect some of the Chinese hawthorn. And it is very, very delicious. Well, when we use it as a medicine, as a herb, it has a very good action on promoting digestion and strengthening the stomach. It also promotes blood and qi circulation, and also can resolve blood stasis. Therefore, when people has a food stagnation, especially when they eat too much meat or lamb, then we can use this one, shanzha, the Chinese hawthorn, to promote digestion, to promote the meat digestion. Well, because it also promotes qi and blood circulation, therefore, if the patient have qi stagnation and blood stasis, which cause amenorrhea or dysmenorrhea, or sometimes if it cause the qi and blood stagnation cause the chest pain, for example, like heart attack, we also can use this one, because it can relieve the pain, can move the blood and qi circulation. Besides, because it has a very good action on decreasing the level of cholesterol, therefore it can be used for hyperlipemia or hypertension. Usually we can just cut it into small pieces, then put it in the water, and then you can drink the water. Because it's too sour, so sometimes we can also put some crystal sugar in the water. Then it's tasteful and effective for hyperlipemia and hypertension. This is pear, right? Lovely fruit in autumn, especially in North China, many cities, because in autumn it is very dry. Usually we will feel thirsty, or some people they will have dry cough without any phlegm. So it is due to the dryness invade the lung. So we can eat pear, or we also can cut pear into small pieces and then boil it in water. Sometimes we maybe boil it together with lily bulb. Yesterday I have told you that the lily bulb, which is the bulb of the lily, the flower, we can boil these two together to make the soup. Then drink the soup. It can moisten the lung so as to relieve cough. And furthermore, it also can promote fluid production so as to stop or to release thirsty. This one is Marinade, because you can see Marinade, there's a lot of seeds inside Marinade. Well, in China, or in Chinese, seeds has the same pronunciation as kids, means 子. They both pronounced as 子. So many Chinese people, they will show their good wishes to a new couple and wish they have more kids and good luck in their future life. Well, this one, when we eat it, we eat it as a fruit, and we also eat it as a kind of medicine because it promotes fluid production and also can promote food digestion. Therefore, if the patient have injury, the fluid injury and have thirsty, or if they have poor appetite due to stomach deficiency, we will suggest them eating this one.